Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your squirrel grow faster and grow a garden in the latest update. So I am going to take out my chicken zombie. I'm just going to use a giant ant. So if you have some giants, you're just going to take them and put it in your garden. So let me just remove the ones I don't need. Okay, I don't need idle chipmunk. Let's take out space squirrel as well. Hold on. So giant ant, put it in your garden, and then another giant ant here, and then let's add a red giant ant. Then I'm just going to also take my space squirrel, my chubby chipmunk, and I'm going to level it up until like 100. I have 500, thank goodness. Hold on, chubby chipmunk. Stay here. It's very hard to find. I hate it. Oh, did it disappear? Okay. I'm just going to keep leveling up my chubby chipmunk here. Oh my gosh, okay. Then I'll also feed it some maple syrup. Oh my gosh, stay, ma'am. Okay, you know what? You're just going to do that, and you're going to then trigger the nutty fever as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully after that, it'll gain 1 kilo instead of just a few. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.